connect AI models to build AI apps in minutes with no coding required. No matter who you are a student, working professional, or a businessman. The next generation of AI powered apps will be built by you. So this is unbelievable. When I checked out very first time this AI tool, so I thought this would be fake. But this is 100% genuine and 100% free AI tool. So this is unbelievable, guys. So let's start the video. Firstly, you will have to come to this website, Brancher AI. Click sign up. After sign up, click create new app. Choose the background color. You will see the preview this side. Whatever color you will change it, you can see the preview. Change the text color. Button color. App title. Description. Go down. Click forms. Type field level. That will show here. Place folder text. Click next. Flow and logic. Click plus button. Select Chat GPT. Chat GPT 4 is coming soon. Chat GPT. Here you will have to click on plus button and write your prompt. Go down. Before publish this app, firstly you will have to save it. Click on save. Publish it. It got published. Now view. So this is your AI tool. So you can share it with anyone you want. So let's try if it works or not. Give the prompt. Enter. See, this is unbelievable. They have written the whole blog. Top 5 places to visit in Paris. You can see the result. This is unbelievable, guys. I'll give my AI tool link in the description. You can create the blog post if you want. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day, all the best.